Welcome, RosterElf community. Louise Marshall here, Head of Customer Training at RosterElf. I'm excited to show you how to log into our time clock, how to log in with email and password. Open the RosterElf Time Clock on your device. This is your gateway to secure payroll. Enter your email address and password. This verifies your owner account. Click Login to access your RosterElf Time Clock. This takes you to your dashboard. How to log in with a PIN code. Select Login using PIN on the main screen. This is handy for quick access. Enter your PIN code and click Login. This keeps your account secure. Set up a PIN if you need one. This ensures you can stay logged in longer. How to manage multiple RosterElf accounts. Log in with your account details. This will display all your linked accounts. Choose the account you want to access. This directs you to the correct dashboard. Thanks for watching, and remember, our support team is always here to help. Happy rostering!